You know what? People keep on telling us to be consistent this, consistent that, giving us some motivational stories about how they achieve stuff through being consistent. Well, yeah, those things sound great, right? No problem with that. But I think like there's just not enough people actually telling us on how to actually be consistent. I mean, like, what is the step? What are the step by step on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. So this is why this is going to be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing those things. And hi, my name is Laksana. This is March 19th, 2025, and this is going to be day 254 of consistently helping people build consistency. You know what? So some people they tell us to, hey, you know what? If you want to be consistent at doing something, if you want to have a goal, if you want to achieve stuff, just keep the grind quiet. Just be silent. Okay? Don't tell people about your business. Don't tell people about your progress. Don't tell people about the thing that you wanted to be consistent at. Okay? Well, I think, it's actually going to be better. Actually, it's going to be good if we tell people about the thing that we wanted to be consistent at about our goals. If we tell the right people, the people that actually care about us. Okay. So, for example, you know what? I want to exercise consistently. Well, the thing that I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to be going to one of my bros and then my bros and he's like, hey, you know what, bro, I've been consistently struggling with being consistent at exercising. I want to exercise consistently because this is something that is really important for me. I want to be healthy, I want to look good, I want to build some discipline, right? Blah 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 blah. And you know what, this bro, he is a person that actually cares about me. Meaning, he wanted to see me grow, right? He wanted, when I tell him about my commitment, when I tell him about I wanted to be I want to exercise consistently, he's gonna be happy. He's gonna be having the expectation that, hey, you know what, Laksana is going to exercise consistently and he's gonna make it. I hope he's gonna make it, and I hope he's gonna be healthy and look good and blah 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 blah. Okay? So basically, if we just tell the right people, it's gonna be good. Why? Because again, they care about us, okay? And we also care about them. And he got the expectation that I'm gonna succeed, and also I have the expectation that I'm gonna be succeeding too, right? And when I just tell them like this, I got some stakes, right? The stake is even higher right now because once I've told them, they're gonna be having the expectation that I'm gonna be doing it, right? And every once in a while, they're gonna be asking me like, "Hey, are you still sticking to your exercise? Are you making it, bro?" Blah 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 blah, right? And I want the answer to be yes, right? I don't want to disappoint them, right? So basically, when I just tell the right people, the people that actually care about me, I kind of make it even harder to quit, okay? Because now I've told them, they know, and they got some expectation, and I do not want to break that expectation. How? By precisely continuing to do the exercise, right? Because I want to see myself grow. He wants to see myself grow. He wants to see me grow, right? Okay, so what is the practical implementation of this, principle? I think one of the most effective way is to just basically create a second private account, where the purpose of that account is solely to document the thing that you wanted to be consistent at. You wanted to be consistent at studying, you document it over there. You wanted to be consistent at exercising, you document it over there. Okay? And then not only that you could document it, you also, like those videos, just like precisely this video, like day 254 of blah 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 blah, day 30 of blah 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 blah. You also make the like create a habit streak like that. Basically, just count for how many days you've been consistently doing your thing, doing the exercise, doing the studying, and so on and so on. So basically, you're going to be having some sense of attachment to this habit streak. You do not want the streak to go to day zero again, right? And the thing that you wanted to be doing here, again, this is a private account. So you're just going to be telling like maybe like five to till 5 to 10 of your friends, the people that actually care about you, about this account. Like just, chat them. Hey, bro, I got this private account where I just share my progress with people that actually care about me. Like if you want to just see it, like I would really appreciate it, and just like explain your reasons, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, hopefully they would want to follow the account and basically just, watch you progressing, right? So again, why is this effective? Is that one, actually like you can, yeah, again, the stake is higher. You do not want to disappoint the people that actually have expectation on you, right? But then secondly, you're also going to be having a really clear documentation of your progress. Okay, you can just like scroll your videos and then like, just watch your old videos and kind of feel nostalgic, and it's kind of like giving more meaning for you to actually still sticking to the thing, right? And here's the thing: you don't necessarily have to start really high. I mean, like real unrealistic. I mean, oh yeah, day one of consistently studying mathematics for 6 hours straight. Like just start small first, okay, and maybe like gradually increase it. Maybe like just start from, yeah, day one of consistently. What do you say? Read a book for at least 10 minutes every single day, and then yeah, basically just increase it from that day per week. I don't know. Yeah, so basically that's how you actually be consistent, by telling the thing that you wanted to be consistent at with the people that actually care about you, and create a private account. Okay, create a private account to document your journey. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, join our Discord. Bye bye. And yeah, for the dates authenticity post, today's March 19th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a capybara post last 24 hours. Thank you.